How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can set up VoiceMeeter Banana for OBS. So the first thing that you want to do is to open up the application, click menu, and just make sure that the system tray and run on Windows Startup is enabled. So in that way, if we exit out of the application, it will only be hidden on our system tray. Now head over to the sound setting. Click more sound setting and just make sure that VoiceMeeter is enabled on playback and on recording. So it's going to be the VoiceMeeter input for playback, and for recording there's a lot of outputs right here, but you just want to select the VoiceMeeter out B1. I've just changed my name right here to make things a lot easier. Now head over to VoiceMeeter. And then of course you want to select your main microphone, and same thing with your speaker. You want to click on the mono buttons until you select it for this specific icon. So you want to do it for the same buttons right here. And you can adjust the volume by scrolling down or adjusting the fader gain. And same thing with our microphone. This is just a way to increase the volume of our output or input. And then to be able to hear yourself, you want to press A, and to be able to produce sound on your computer, you then want to press the B button. We have mono for our microphone, we have the solo button right here, and then we have mute. Now you can adjust the color panel the way you want to, so this will change the tone of your voice depending on where you put it. For the audibility, this is just the mic threshold, so if you want to eliminate small noises, you want to adjust this accordingly. And now if you head over to your OBS right here, click on the three dots beside the mic or aux, click properties. You then want to make sure to use the VoiceMeeter microphone right here. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.